Are you wondering what the best power banks are for this year? If so, stay tuned, because by the end of this short video, you'll know exactly which one to choose. Hey guys, it's 7 Top Rated, and in today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best power banks on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the product shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. At number 5 is the RAVPower AC 27,000 mAh 100-watt power bank. When we think about a power bank, what typically comes to mind is a low-cost plastic box with a USB port to charge your smartphone. However, with a RAVPower AC power bank charger, this couldn't be further from that stereotype. For starters, this RAVPower comes with an AC outlet that can support devices rated up to 100 watts, which is sufficient to power a 55-inch TV, not to mention most laptop brands and even some desktop PCs. Design-wise, the RAVPower has used an anthracite rubber finish with 8 status LED lights and the company's logo on top. Cooling air vents and the power input ports are on one side, and on the other side there's a Type-C output port and 2 USB ports, with a power button and the AC outlet behind a flap. As for the size, this power bank is similar to an A5 notepad, but with a thickness of nearly 40 millimeters and weighing 870 grams. So it isn't the lightest device and seems more like a hardback book you'd slip in your bag when traveling. With that said, it's worth mentioning that the RAVPower AC 27,000 mAh can support devices rated at up to 100 watts and is more than capable of charging an iPhone 6s up to 11 times, a Galaxy S7 up to 6 times, and the 12-inch MacBook over 3 times. So it certainly packs plenty of power. In addition, it can recharge itself fully in 5.2 hours with a 19-volt 6A DC input, and 8 LED indicators display the power level. And a feature we really liked is it will auto-turn itself off if you happen to forget. The option to plug in a wide range of devices to the AC output is the key selling point on this RAVPower device, and it's what may persuade you to overlook the size and weight of the battery, making it ideal for camping trips, long journeys, and any other occasion you're likely to be away from a power socket. To conclude, this RAVPower AC 27,000 mAh 100-watt power bank becomes a must for anyone who travels often and needs to keep their devices fully charged, and gets a thumbs up from us. At number 4 is the iMuto 30,000 mAh Portable Charge X6. The iMuto 30,000 mAh portable charger packs a powerful punch and should be able to handle all your portable charging needs. Design-wise, the portable charger has a two-tone shiny plastic body with a band of bronze plastic running around the outer edges of the device. On the front side is the LED power indicator and the iMuto logo etched into the plastic. It measures 6.8 by 3.4 by 1.2 inches and weighs 1.5 pounds. Overall, it feels solid and well-made and comes with a USB charging cable and sleek carry case. Moving on to the best features of the iMuto X6, which is its charging potentials. It has a quick charge option for one of its output ports, and it also has a micro USB input port that uses quick charge to recharge the device. The use of a Type-C port is also impressive, as you're able to charge Type-C compatible devices like MacBooks with this. A further note regarding the Quick Charge 3.0 USB port. If you own a Quick Charge compatible device, you will be able to charge at its max charging speed with this USB port. Additionally, with this amount of output power capacity, it's more than enough to charge smartphones multiple times to full power. And even the biggest capacity smartphones, such as the Galaxy S8, can be charged to its full power about 7 times. As for larger devices, charging tablets with this iMuto doesn't hold any problems either, as you're able to charge an iPad 2 or iPad 4 to full power about 5 times. And with newer MacBooks that use Type-C for charging purposes, and it can charge them to full power about 4 times, which is fantastic. To conclude, while this is not the type of power bank you can slip into your back pocket, it is certainly possible to take it with you in a bag. Overall, this iMuto PowerPack X6 Pro is one of the most reliable high-capacity power banks available in the market, and one that could be the ideal for you. At number 3 is the Bonai 30,000 mAh portable charger. When you're picking up a portable charger, there's a lot to consider. Like, how portable is the battery pack? How much charge can it offer? And does it charge quickly? So with all of these considerations, let's look at the Bonai 30,000 mAh portable charger and see how this matches up. Ergonomically designed with inbuilt polymer to protect against dust particles, rusting, knocks, and being dropped. It also has a convenient built-in flashlight for when you're scrambling in the dark for USB cables, which are handily included. With its portable handheld size and high capacity, 30,000 mAh polymer power bank, it is still stable and easy to take around with you. It is the ideal size to get multiple charges while still being thinner than most other large capacity batteries. It's also very versatile, with multiple USB-A ports, USB-C, and Lightning ports. Moving on, it has 4 USB port 5.6 mAh outputs. You can freely charge your iPhone, iPad, iPod, Samsung Galaxy, HTC, and many more devices anytime you're away from a power outlet, which is ideal for people traveling with family or friends, as it allows almost everyone to charge their phones at the same time. With that said, how well does it charge? Well, the Bonai 30,000 mAh portable charger will fully charge your iPhone 6s Plus 7.2 times, or a Galaxy S7 6.6 times, or an iPad mini 3 times, which is pretty impressive. Additionally, it has a built-in light indicator to let you know when the charger is running low on power, which we liked. As for charging, the Bonai uses the included micro cable input and lighting cable input, or USB port, to connect with your own 5V 2A 2-port wall or car adapter. It's also worth mentioning the Bonai uses intelligent safety protection, which is a built-in safeguard to protect your devices against excessive current, overcharging, and overheating, which makes this charger safer to use. To conclude, this portable battery packs some serious power. It's a 30,000 mAh battery with 4 USB charging ports, so you can charge multiple devices at once. But it is easy to carry around and one we would recommend. At number 2 is the RAVPower 26800 portable charger. If you're looking to keep your laptop charged on a budget, the RAVPower 26800 portable charger is the perfect supplement to any laptop and will allow you to work without always having to worry about your battery dying. Design-wise, one thing I especially like is the battery's matte black anti-scratch surface, which means it won't attract dust and fingerprints the same way that portable batteries with a glossy finish would. This device also comes with 2 USB to micro USB cables, plus a mesh case. The RAVPower 26,800 mAh battery pack is sleek and unassuming. The device's dimensions are 6.8 by 0.9 by 3.2 inches, and it weighs 16 ounces with 4 handy indicator lights just above the power button, which blink and flash blue as the device is charging or discharging. In addition, it also has 1 Type-C USB port, as well as 2 regular smart USB ports. This means that you can charge up to 3 different devices at the same time, with the battery giving out only as much current that's required via its smart charging feature. Moving on, the battery capacity is excellent. You can use it all day with no worries. It'll keep a phone charged for many days and would be perfect for something like a camping trip. Even for a heavy laptop user, it should still be able to get you through your day without having to worry about running out of battery. It is worth mentioning, with power banks of this size, there's always the question whether you're allowed to take it with you through airport security. Most airports enforce a carry limit for devices above 100 watt-hours. The RAVPower 26800, however, holds just 81.4 watt-hours of power, and therefore is perfectly okay to take with you on an airplane on a domestic flight. A quick note regarding the battery: it doesn't come with a USB-C adapter to replace its charge. However, you can use the one that's provided by Apple or a third-party charger from Google or others that will work perfectly well. To conclude, if you're looking for a portable battery with lots of extra power to spare, then this RAVPower 26800 portable charger is certainly one worth taking a look at. At number 1 is the Anker PowerCore Lite 20,000 mAh portable charger. Sometimes the simple things in life can help you get to your destination. The Anker PowerCore Lite 20,000 mAh power bank is simple yet has the features of a high-end device. The build is great and it feels quality to use every time you use it. The charger has a small form factor even though it is a 20,000 milliamp hour high-capacity power bank, and you're actually able to fit this charger into your pocket. Just like with most Anker power banks, you don't have to press the power button to begin charging, as charging automatically starts when you place a device into the ports. Although it's about the size of an oversized smartphone, this particular Anker power pack will charge an iPhone 8 up to 7 times before you'll need to recharge the battery in the charger. Also, if you have an iPhone X or a Samsung Galaxy S9, you'll be able to charge these phone types 5 times on a single charge. Moving on, one thing I really love about this PowerCore Lite is how you can charge 2 things at once. Simply plug a pair of phones into the dual USB ports and you'll be in business. In addition, I also like the versatility of this device. You can charge micro USB and USB-C devices, as well as Apple devices that have Lightning connectors, by merely using the cable that matches your device. We like the trickle charging mode, which allows you to switch into a low power mode to charge Bluetooth devices, like wireless earphones, without risk of overcharging. Before we end, this power bank is packed with all sorts of safety features, ensuring that the power bank itself and the devices you've connected to it stay safe in every step of the way. This is something which we take for granted, but it's a feature every single power product should have. To conclude, if you're looking for a portable charger that can keep all of your portable devices charged up and running for several days, I don't think you'll find a better solution than this handy gem from Anker. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you found it useful. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel to get more videos like this in the future. If you do have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and we'll get back to you. Catch you soon.